How to convert Microsoft Word document to PowerPoint presentation. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to convert your Microsoft Word document to PowerPoint presentation, first of all, you want to open Microsoft Word on your device. Then over here, you want to open up the Word document that you want to convert. Make sure all the necessary edits are already been made. Now you want to select all by pressing Ctrl+A and click on the Heading To option. Once you have made everything Heading To, you want to make the topics Heading 1. So select the topics and click on Heading 1. Once you have made sure that all the topics are in Heading 1 and rest is in Heading 2, now you want to click on the Customize Quick Access toolbar. Now select More Commands from this list. Now from this drop-down menu, select All Commands. Now from this box, you want to scroll down and find the option of Send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Then click on the Add option. Once you do that, click on the OK option. Now at the top, you have this icon that says Send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on this option. Now you will find that your file is opening in Microsoft PowerPoint. And as you can see, your Word document has been converted to Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.